Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, the place where words come alive and shine with meaning. Today, we're diving into the beautiful word, limpidity. So, what does limpidity mean? In simple terms, limpidity describes clarity, purity, or transparency. Imagine a glass of crystal clear water, or a calm lake where you can see the stones beneath. That's limpidity, something so clear and pure that there's no confusion, no cloudiness. But limpidity doesn't just apply to water or nature. It can also describe writing, music, or even ideas. For example, when someone explains a complicated topic in an easy and simple way, we can say their explanation has limpidity. It's clear, understandable, and pure in thought. Now, let's explore a few synonyms for limpidity. Words like clarity, transparency, lucidity, purity, brightness, and pellucidity share similar meanings. Each of these words paints a picture of something shining, bright, and easy to see or understand. Here's a quick tip: if you're writing an essay, a poem, or even giving a speech, using words like limpidity can add variety and elegance to your language. Instead of always using clarity, reach for limpidity when you want to sound more expressive or poetic. In short, limpidity is the beauty of being clear, whether in water, in thought, or in words. That's today's word of the day. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive, and share it with fellow word lovers. Let's keep thriving in language together.